Hi everyone, this is Kevin with Garrison Dental Solutions, and I wanted to show you our full line of composite instruments with a titanium nitride coating that is non-stick. Let's start here at this end because these are the ones that we're probably best known for, our multifunction composite instruments. Now, a question that we get a lot, particularly at trade shows and so forth, is people will look at these and go, well, can I mix and match ends? No, we can't mix and match ends. They're all manufactured in the patterns that you show here. This is our number one selling multifunction composite instrument. I think we've even got a separate video out there on YouTube about that. This was the original one that we developed. We call this the Skippy Special in honor of Dr. Skip Van Gordon, longtime family friend of the Garrisons. He's done a bunch of trade shows with us, and he actually came to us with this idea, and we put it together and called it the Skippy Special. So it's our original multifunction composite instrument. We have a couple of instruments, one more, I guess, that I would call multifunction. It's a little more basic. We've got ball burnisher, one size condenser, acorn carver, and a smaller condenser on the other. More of a posterior composite instrument, doesn't have the blades on it like our bigger multifunction ones. I've got two sizes that have extra thin blades, the number 4 and the number 5, and they are extremely thin and flexible, typically used on interior restorations. They have both angles of the blades on them. Their ends are so fine that you can pack cord with these. Then we've got a couple of more basic composite instruments. We've got one size of blade, and then depending on which one, the different sizes of condensers. And then way down at the end here, number 1, your basic, both angles of the blade, ready to go, do your composite work. Very nice non-stick coating, large diameter hollow stainless steel handles, quite durable, very comfortable, give you a lot of control. So that is the complete line of composite instruments from Garrison Dental Solutions.